So, in September last year, Chinese manufacturing giant Huawei returned to the market with the Huawei Mate 50 series. This device brings the industry's top performance and innovative techs, such as satellite communications and Kunlun glass. According to industry sources, Huawei has solved the supply chain problem. This means that new models will launch in the market following their normal schedule. Simply put, the Huawei Mate and P series will return to 2 devices a year. Now, after the success of the Mate 50 series, the next to the lookout is the Huawei P60 series flagship phone. According to the reports, Huawei P60 will meet us in the first quarter of 2023, possibly around March. And now, talking about the improvements, some trusted sources claim that the Huawei P60 Pro is going to break all the records when it comes to camera quality of any smartphone. But before further ado, if you do end up liking what you see here, please consider subscribing and turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Now let's get back to the video. So, Digital Chat Station brought a new report about the camera upgrades of the Huawei P60 series, claiming that the Huawei P60 will use a 50-megapixel rear camera combination of IMX7 series and IMX8 series sensors. The main camera sensor is larger than the previous generation. In addition, these sensors are also the industry's first launch. Huawei P series represents an advancement in imaging technology, and I believe the P60 is no exception. Although little is known about the detailed configuration of the Huawei P60 series, it will certainly be stronger than the Huawei Mate 50 and P50 series and is worth waiting for. So, IBM lost for the first time in 10 years of its US Patent Office reign. Meanwhile, Huawei has made its place in the top 10 list, which is a sign. A report reveals that Huawei claimed the 7th spot in the top US patent players in 2022, with 3,023 utility patents and 3% of year increase as compared to 2021. This is a big improvement for the Chinese tech maker despite being US sanctions. Meanwhile, Huawei is continuously ramping up efforts to increase its R&D and its patent portfolio. So, what do you guys think about all this? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.